Good morning, my dear students. Again, I welcome you in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy. Now, in my previous video and in my previous class, I have explained you about section formula in the general condition and one specific condition, that is the midpoint condition. The very first we will take a revision of that one. Suppose we have 2 points here, A and B. The coordinate of A is x1 and y1 and B is x2 and y2. It is intersected by a point in the ratio m1 is to m2. In this condition, we have to find the coordinate of C. Here we have the coordinate of C are x and y. So what is the value of x? That is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Likewise, the formula for the coordinate y in this condition, that is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Then I have told you about one special condition, that midpoint. What is the condition of midpoint? Suppose A and B, you have given 2 points and C is exactly the midpoint of AB. In this condition, the formula for x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and formula for y is equal to, what is the formula for y? y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now, for the practical use of this derived formula which we have discussed, I have taken question number 2 from NCERT exercise 7.2. We have given 2 points A and B having the coordinates 4, -1 and -2 and -3 on a Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means bacho? Graph. Then this distance has been trisected. Trisected means divided equally into 3 parts, the C and D. Then in this condition we have to find the coordinates of C and D. We assume that let C is equal to x and y and D is equal to A and B. This ratio 1, this ratio 1, this ratio 1. Trisected means 1:1:1. Okay. So if you find the ratio of AC is to CD, then what will the ratio has come? 1:2. In this condition, M1 is equal to, what is the M1? 1. Very good. And M2 is equal to 2. We have the value of x1, y1. We have value of x2, y2. So x1 is equal to, what is the formula of x1 बच्चों? 1 से शुरू करेंगे, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 m1 plus m2. अब इसका वैल्यू रखिए, m1 क्या हो गया हमारा? 1 हो गया into x2 is equal to
-2
plus m2 is equal to into x1 is equal to, what is x1? 4. And m1 plus m2 is equal to 1 plus 2. This one is equal to -2 and 2 for the 8 upon 3. 6 upon 3, that is equal to, now y is equal to, formula y m1 y2 plus m2 y1 m1 plus m2. m1 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to
-3
plus m2 is equal to 2, only 2, m2 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to -1 and m1 plus m2 is same as, and this is equal to -3, 2 into -1 -2 upon 3, that is equal to -5 upon 3. What is the coordinate of C? 2 and -5 upon 3. So if we take CB, in this condition CB, then point D exactly divide CD into two equal parts. So what condition we have derived from this part of the question CB? D is the midpoint of
AB.
CB.
CB.
So directly we can use which formula? The specific condition formula, that is the very good.
Midpoint.
That is the
Midpoint.
formula. So we have to write here for CB. For CB, D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. So in this condition, A is equal to, write here, x1 plus x2 divided by x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to minus 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 0 upon 2 is equal to 0. B is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. y1 is equal to minus 5 plus minus 3 upon 2. Now here minus 5 upon 2 plus minus upon 2. 2 3 is 6. Minus 6. Isn't it? Minus 6 and minus 5.
Minus 11.
Minus 11. And these two will come down. 11 upon 4. So what is the coordinate of D? That is equal to 0 and minus 11 upon 4. So your answer will be 2 and minus 5 upon 3. First answer, and second answer 0 and minus 11 upon 4. You got it? Now I am going to explain one more question. In this condition, in this questions, ask the thing is different. You have to find the ratio. In this question, what we discuss, ratio or given. Ratio दिया था ना बच्चों में, देखो 1:1:1, then 1:2 ratio are given. Here ratio is given 1:1. Then you have to find the coordinate of the intersecting point. Now we have given the coordinate of the intersecting point, and in this condition you have to find the ratio. ठीक, उसका उल्टा, जो चीज उसमें निकालना था वो चीज इसमें दिया गया है, जो चीज दिया गया था वो हमें निकालना है. चलिए क्वेश्चन हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं बच्चों.
माइनस 5/2 आया, माइनस 5/2
माइनस
5/2 सर वहाँ पे बी नंबर सर
एक बच्चा बोलो.
सर यहाँ पे
अच्छा ये हम 2 ले लिए, सॉरी. हाँ थैंक यू. ये 5/3 है. थैंक यू. व्हाट्स नेम? अबू शाह. चलिए तो हम करेक्शन करेंगे. थैंक यू अबू शाह, क्योंकि ये YouTube पर जाने वाला था, आपके कारण करेक्ट हो जाए. फिर 3 या 9, minus 9 and minus 5, minus 14, minus 14 upon 4, that's equal to minus 7 upon 2. ये हो जाएगा हमारा minus 6 3 are 9, 9 and 5 14 upon 6. सही बोला, 14 upon 6. ये हो जाएगा 2 7 and 2 3 minus 7 upon 3. ये हो जाएगा माइनस, ठीक था, ये हो जाएगा minus 7 upon 3. और क्यों इसलिए बोला कि हमने उसको ऐसे लिखा ना, तो 3 यहाँ पर सट गया था, इसलिए हमने उसको 2 पढ़ दिया अनदर का. चलिए अब इस क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करते हैं बच्चों. कहाँ था? फाइंड द, हाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment A1 minus 5, A1 minus 5 and B minus 4 and 5. बच्चों केवल क्वेश्चन मैच करना, मैं गलत तो नहीं लिख दे रहा हूं. -4 and 5, -5 नहीं, -4 and 5 divided on x axis. Divided, suppose this point is where? This point is on x axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of the division. Now if any set of coordinate lies on x axis, which coordinate will be 0? Y. So हम इसको मान लेंगे, let C is equal to x and 0. Okay? Huh? And let the required ratio is equal to k/1. हमेशा इस फॉर्म में मानना है. जब भी रेशियो निकालना होगा बच्चों, डिनोमिनेटर तो हमेशा क्या एज्यूम करोगे? 1. a/1, b/1, c/1. मींस डिनोमिनेटर को क्या एज्यूम करना है? हमेशा आपको 1 है. अब देखिए अपना m1 क्या हो गया? m1 is equal to जोर से बोलो. m1 is equal to k. m2 is equal to 1. अच्छा, हम यहां से लेंगे. This 0 represent which coordinate? Y. So what is the formula of y? That is equal to m1 y2 plus
m2 y1
y1 upon
m1 plus
m1 plus
m2
this y is equal to
0
m1 is equal to k. y2 is equal to
5
5. m2 is equal to 1. y1 is equal to
minus 5
-5, and this one is equal to k plus 1. m1 plus m2. Then what will do if you do cross multiplication? K plus 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. यानी कि 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. So 5k is equal to 5. So k is equal to 5 on 5, that is equal to 1. तो आंसर क्या हो गया? The required ratio k/1 is equal to 1/1 से क्या इंडिकेशन मिला, क्या हिंट्स मिला आपको? वेरी गुड. इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइडेड मतलब which formula we can use here? Midpoint formula. Very good. What is your name बेटा? Harshit Kumar. Thank you Harshit. अब हम x का वैल्यू क्या निकालेंगे? Now C is the midpoint of AB. So x is equal to m1 plus x1 plus x2 divided by